It's another great tip about YouTube advertising and YouTube Kids. We've told you in other of our shorts videos that frankly there is no submit button to get on the YouTube Kids app. But by continuing to create great content for kids, using keywords that help your videos get found, the next step is going to be some advertising. You can grow your channel organically, and hopefully you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year. But it can be done. And with a little bit of help of some really great advertising strategies that also can save you money and not blow the budget, you too can have a great channel you can monetize and earn income from. So here's another quick tip for the day. You want to use YouTube as the platform where you're placing your advertisements. Already doing that? Great. If you are not creating a 15-second video to run just as an advertisement, then make sure the video you're promoting has a video disruptor in the beginning of it. That means in the first 3 to 8 seconds of the video, something very exciting is happening. Very exciting, jumping, running, singing. It's the highlight moment. Think about that commercial about a teacher showing a kid how to do a volcano science experiment, and all of a sudden the volcano explodes when they pour the vinegar into the baking soda. That moment, you want to take it, copy it, and put it at the front of your video. That's your video intro, not your channel, not your opening theme song. Now, when you run that video as an ad, there's something very exciting, informational, a quick countdown of the 3 best tips on X. That's what runs in your ad. Now it's interesting. Now it's clickable. Now people want to see it. If your ad starts with your opening intro to your channel content, it's the singing song or the theme song for our channel, that's not interesting enough for me to click on. So, setting up an advertising campaign in the Google Ads dashboard, make sure you're running your videos on YouTube. You want skippable content, and if you're not creating a custom 15-second video to run as an ad, then make sure your opening on the video you're going to advertise to has something really exciting happening at the beginning. Here's what not to do. Don't just create really gimmicky opening video content of the jumping, singing that's fake or not relevant to your video, because people will then click the video advertisement, get to your channel, start watching the video, and if that's not what it's about, they're going to click away. When they click away, over time, YouTube's algorithm will downrank your video because it no longer has trust. The snippet you showed me is not what the video is about. It no longer has relevance. The snippet you showed me is not what the video is about. These are all signals that YouTube uses to create and curate content that's actually interesting for the viewer. So if you're tricking us with clickbait, bad headlines, or an ad that really isn't about that video, then people aren't going to watch it. YouTube knows, and it hurts you in search results. So don't do that. Do the proper steps in video optimization. You'll be more successful. Thanks for watching today. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and be sure to walk away from your computer at least a few minutes every hour. Have a great day, everyone.